Welcome to the interface tour in our Camtasia Basics tutorial series. If you've ever opened a software program and felt completely lost, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're taking a tour of Camtasia's interface to make sure you know exactly where everything is. It is important to first note Camtasia's toolbar. With so many options, we can't possibly go over them all in one video. However, be sure to explore and remember, today's assignment should be chock full of mistakes, learning, and having fun. First up, the media bin. Located on the left side of the screen, this is your video's pantry. Think of it as your fridge, but instead of snacks, it's stocked with your videos, images, and audio files. And just like a fridge, it works best if you keep it organized. Next, we have the library, right next to the media bin. The library is like the extras drawer in your kitchen, but way more useful. It's packed with pre-made assets like music, animations, and callouts. Who knew being organized could look this good? Moving down to the bottom of the screen, we find the timeline, the place where all the magic happens. Think of the timeline like a giant puzzle board, except all the pieces are yours to move around however you want. It's where you'll layer your media, tweak your timing, and generally feel like a video editing wizard. While you're in the timeline, you'll notice the playhead, which is that vertical line sliding along like it's checking out the buffet. The playhead shows you exactly where you are in your project. It's the friend we made along the way, but who helps keep track of where you parked your car while you were busy editing a masterpiece. In the center of the interface is the canvas, also known as the preview window. This is where you get to see your project in action. Pretty cool, right? To the right, we have the Properties panel. This is the part of the interface where you can really let your inner perfectionist shine. Want to resize an image? Go for it. Need to adjust text colors so that they match your brand's exact shade of sky, but only during golden hour? The Properties panel is your best friend. And don't forget the recorder controls, accessible from the top menu. This is your secret weapon for capturing screen recordings and webcam footage. It's like a superhero utility belt, but for video editing. No cape required, though it's highly encouraged. And that's the grand tour. We've covered the media bin, library, toolbar, timeline, playhead, canvas, properties panel, and recorder controls. Together, these sections form the ultimate editing playground. In the next video, we'll dive into creating a video. Thanks for watching, and remember, in Camtasia, there are no mistakes, only happy editing accidents. See you next time.